A great lover of large dogs is little Mickey Roper of Tenterfield, New South Wales, Australia. Doc is his favourite St Bernard, Mickey's foaming steed. And this is the saddling enclosure on the Tenterfield estate. Come on, Steve. Ah, that's another of Mickey's friends, Rasputin the Mad Monk. He's a rider too and likes to go places. If it's Wild West stuff you want, here it is. Ride him, cowboy. On the Roper farm, some of the hands are still trying to break in Madeline, the mischievous mule. She's a perfect little devil, that is, if you don't know how to handle her. Mickey's got his own methods, and Madeline rather likes them. It may be a little unladylike, but, well, they're very old friends. Mickey makes a few calls, and his pets go with him. Like duck and green peas, they are always together. It's bath night at Tenterfield, and Rasputin has at last made up his mind to come clean. He's making sure of that schoolboy complexion inside as well as out. And now it's Ritz's turn for a bath. Nobody's going to call her a dirty dog. With Doc to keep out the draft, the drying isn't so bad. In fact, it's rather fun. That's the best of being big.